My heart is spilling over, crashing on the ground. I can't see what's around me.
Hey guys,
Going Sakalina, I need a coffee and a tomato.
yeah.
But let's get like buttery toast.
Ooh, it's actually
That's all we've had, bread and butter.
raining today, so we're gonna go to Lisbon, which we're excited.
Yeah.
Get some
Nice
shopping
shopping day.
and then fingers crossed.
We should have brought like our books.
Oh no, we're just having our coffee. Woo.
Is it good? Yeah. Do you want to try a bit of my
Samosa. Samosa for breakfast. Good? We're still listening to Paradise. Definitely our holiday song.
Yeah, I love it. It's great.
SNOW. Niggas just mad that I'm untouchable. Fidel with the motherfucking cash flow. Money make the motherfucking.
But we're gonna go do some vintage shopping and catch up.
Yeah, definitely. And then I think go for a swim. I think we should, even if it's raining, just for that mental health.
The mentals. Proper.
It's you, it's gonna kill me.
We've been trekking for our matcha. So this is our. She doesn't look very happy, but I've got high hopes.
You rate it?
I don't think we've got any tickets. I'm way to get some breakfast. Sorry, we didn't do a vlog last night, but we had a lovely meal.
We
with
did have
chicken and
really
chips.
like chicken and chips.
And then we got a crepe and an ice cream. Can't start. And completely soaked. Lol. Had some sun. Ready to watch sunset.
I got a dark chocolate, I'm kind of scared.
What did you get? Sugar and lemon.
Dark chocolate.
More important.
No, we weren't like
One margarita down. Got loads of access.
We're really excited to recruit some people because we didn't see anyone in the red path. So tomorrow, we're after you.
Our vlog camera interview people tomorrow.
Yes! It's mainly cash guys. It's the new hip thing. Just going to the market.
Anyway, you made it was just fine.
The producers are feeling quite sleepy this morning.
The energy we had last night to compare to the energy we have now. That's always me though, like in the day I don't have a lot of energy, but in
You're a
the
night
evening,
owl.
Yeah.
Giggling away at night in the morning. So we're off on a night out. Well, no, out for dinner.
No, I
Let these times show you that you're breaking.
It's suddenly got really such a cute hey. Hey guys. Wow. Ooh, so you've got orange juice. I can see our buttery toast.
yeah,
We do a taste test last time for toast. Ooh, that's good. Anyway, we had such a funny night and now it's our last breakfast. Out of 10.
I've had milk. Ruby's got a crush.
Pardon? Pardon?